Well, today I'm going to show you how to play a buzz roll using traditional grip. By the way, if you're new to this channel, I'm a former U.S. Army drummer and now play professionally in the Kansas City area. Okay, the buzz roll. The idea here is you want to get a completely smooth sound, or as smooth as possible. You want to have the same sound on each stroke. This is actually much easier to achieve using the matched grip, which is one of the reasons I've always been a big advocate of learning both grips. When you see me perform with my jazz trio, you'll see me going frequently back and forth between traditional grip and matched grip. But I had a request to do this video about how to play a smooth buzz roll using the traditional grip. So I'm going to do my best here. So the first thing, you want to have the same sound out of each stick or each stroke. So you want to use the right hand as a model. So you want to throw the right hand first and try to get the exact same sound out of that left hand. So let's talk about the mechanics, what's actually going on here. With the right hand, I actually modify the grip with the matched grip. I hold it with the first joint of the first finger and the thumb only because it's much easier to get as many bounces as possible per stick doing it that way. If you keep all the fingers around the stick for the buzz strokes, it's going to give you a lot more control, but it's very difficult to get the same amount of buzzes. Now, for the traditional grip, really what we have here is we have two fulcrums, if you can think of it that way. We have the thumb, and then we have the index finger. The grip that I'm using is very loose. The only thing that's actually touching the stick at the point of contact when it actually goes down for the buzz, the thumb is still holding the stick, and then most of the pressure is on the first finger, but really these other fingers let go for that stroke. If I try to keep those on the stick, keep all the fingers around the stick, I'm really inhibiting the bounce. I'm going to show you a little different angle here. So notice again, most of that pressure is with that index finger. The thumb is basically just along for the ride there. One of the comments I had in one of my other videos about the buzz roll, a teacher made a comment. He said that he thought I was teaching that this is done primarily with the fingers, the buzz roll, and he said it's primarily with the wrists. And I agree. When I'm playing a buzz roll, I mean, my wrists are doing most of the motion. Those fingers are just kind of controlling it a little bit. And it's the same with this. So you want to get the same number of bounces every time. Now, I'm not actually counting the bounces, obviously, but I'm trying to get the same sound. I'm trying to get the same speed out of each stick when it hits, and the same sound. And one little subtlety here, what you really don't want to do is after the stick comes down, you want to start the other stick before the first stick stops bouncing if possible. What you don't want is this. You don't want to dig it into the head or stop that bounce. So when you're learning this, what you want to do at first is start really soft, because it's much easier to get a buzz roll soft. You don't want to roll too fast for buzz rolls. It's not about how fast you roll, it's about how smooth you roll. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to get just a really smooth sound until they connect. Once you have it down soft, then start raising it up a little bit. I will tell you, I have a harder time rolling really loud with traditional grip than with matched grip. Just kind of physics, just harder to do, but practice will get better at it. So I hope that helped. If you're really looking to get your hands together, I've got some exercises that will really help you with that. I have my 10 best exercises for speed that I'd like to send you absolutely free. And these are the same type of exercises that helped my student Matthew Lam win a fastest hands drumming competition 2 years in a row. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to get a free copy. I have a whole playlist on stick control that I know you'll also find really helpful. And so please watch some of those next, and we'll see you next time.